Hey everyone, welcome back to Aroma Talks. In today's video, we're gonna look at how to make DIY antibacterial wipes at home. Very easy and simple. Yeah, you can use this for your kitchen and surface areas. I use this in my kitchen to disinfect and sanitize my tables. And you can also use this for cutting boards. So now we're gonna need some few ingredients and you should have them on hand. For example, we have our paper towel, we have our distilled water, dishwashing liquid, then we have our alcohol, and we have our aloe vera gel. So before we get started with the solution, we're gonna go ahead and cut this paper towel. And normally you want to measure to see how tall you want your paper towels. Yeah, so you can cut it in half. It depends on like the container that you're gonna use. So here I'm gonna go ahead and use my sharp knife and cut my paper towel. So now it's done. I have my paper towels here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my container. And to make the solution, guys, we're gonna go ahead and measure half a cup of distilled water, half a cup of alcohol, then we do 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, quarter cup of our dishwashing liquid, and then we mix this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in my tea tree essential oil drops because it's antibacterial. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in my lemon essential oil. Yeah, simply because I love the smell. So lemon and tea tree, yeah, it's gonna do well. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it on our paper towel, and then we're going to circulate it. Make sure it's all circulated, and yeah. Circulate it over. So we're gonna go ahead and cover our container, and then we are just kind of moving it back and forth. Roll it, get it circulated, and we go ahead and remove this. Yeah, now it's easy to remove. Look at this. Yeah, so we're all set. Now we're gonna go ahead and start using it. You see? So easy. Smells good. Yeah. So alright guys, hope you learned something today, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.